Hello there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. I wanted to do like an unboxing with you guys. For a while, people have been talking to me about this product. It's called a Blazecut, and if you take a look at the box here, it kind of tells you what it's all about. It is an automatic fire suppression system, and basically what it is like a tube with some fire suppression material in it. And it basically, if there's a fire, the tube will melt, and this stuff will put the fire out. So it sounds kind of a simple idea. I know some other companies have been selling this for a little while, especially in Europe. Actually, seen almost every Vanagon and bus shop over there has been selling these for a while. I thought it was actually made in the U.S., but you can see by the quality sticker here. It is made in Slovakia. Okay, so I haven't opened it. I haven't looked inside yet. I mean, I'm pretty sure what's in there. But, you know, it's not cheap. It's a few $100s for these. But it's definitely worth it. I mean, if you see the results of an engine fire in a Vanagon, you would say this is worth its weight in gold to prevent something like that from happening. Also, the fire suppression stuff and things in here is supposed to not really leave a residue. You know, I've actually had a little fire one time and I sprayed a fire extinguisher on it, and it put the fire out, which was great. But I tell you what, that fire suppression stuff in the fire extinguisher caused a lot of damage. It was very corrosive and basically peeled the paint off of everything that wasn't in the fire, so it almost did as much damage as the fire. I had to clean it, paint things because of the fire suppression stuff. So this stuff is not like that. It's supposed to not leave a residue. It's supposed to be very clean, and that kind of thing. And everything is automatic. Okay, so let's take a look in here. I'm gonna blather on for hours, but you guys want to see what's going on. So let's break this quality control seal here, made in Slovakia. I mean, you know, that's where all the super high quality stuff comes from these days. I guess, I suppose. And what is in here? Okay, we're taking it out. So you got this nice white PVC looking tube thing. Okay. And basically on the end you have a meter. Okay. And this is telling you, you know, how good your charge is. If you ever have messed with fire suppression equipment before, I'm trying to get like a nice picture of this. You know, they always have some kind of a meter on there. That way you can tell, hey, has this been used already? All right, is the charge any good? And I'm sure this stuff is under pressure. So, you know, there has to be some pressure in here or it's not any good. So we have that. This other end, I think, is just blocked off. Yep, that's what it looks like. And right now it's all coiled up. It's got some tie wraps holding it together. You know, just pretty much for shipping purposes only. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Take a peek down in there. It looks like there's some tie wraps down in here as well. All right, we got some component descriptions and components and their descriptions or something, and we've also got some high quality tie wraps. Okay, and it talks more about the system on this little mini little sheet. Actually, it's like a little mini book, but it's probably in 12 languages, so it's probably one sheet per language or something like that. But I mean, that's basically all there is to it. So on a Vanagon, you know, you have your engine lid. Underneath there is like that foam stuff. And you may know it, you may not know it, but actually that foam stuff is held on there and there's some wire in it to kind of beef it up. So when you go, you can actually install this pretty fast. You just kind of make a little snaky poo track on there and use these tie wraps, wrap it to the foam, which actually has wire in it, so it's decently beefy. And then once you do that, it's on there. And you just, every time you take you can kind of see a picture right here. This is kind of what you're going to wind up doing, something like this. And once it's on there, and this guy has some nice, there's nice, fittings. You don't need that. You can just use tie wraps, be fine. Once you have it up there, then every time you take your engine bay cover off, you just have to make sure you don't kind of set it on top of this, this stuff right here. The version that we bought, which is what was recommended to me by Blazecut, it should be on here somewhere. I think it's the 300, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put these on the website. If you want to buy them, they're going to be available. And we're going to be a dealer for Blazecut. And, they usually have them in stock here in the U.S. They can actually drop ship for us. I'm going to be doing a video on installing it as well soon. Because we have this carrot that we've been restoring slowly. So we are going to install this. I actually talked to the person who is most likely going to be the new owner. He wants it, and I was like, I was going to put it on there for you. So that way, between this and doing your fuel lines, you should be pretty safe on having an engine fire with your Vanagon. So let me know what you guys think about the Blazecut. If you've had any experience with it in the comments, please like, share, subscribe. And, please purchase these items through us. Our price is going to be basically the same as other people. So there's really no advantage buying it somewhere else. Instead, buy it from us. And that way you will support us with your purchases. You can also support us on Patreon. So that's it, guys. I know it was super exciting. This super great Blazecut unboxing. Yeah, here it is. The 300 TV 300 FA. Super exciting. Okay. Hope you didn't have to wear a diaper during this, because this was just so exciting. But that's it for today, guys. Have a great day, and we will see you guys on the next video.